Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing really great with your families at home. And this video is the feedback for session number 2 that teacher Nicholas and I sent you last week. We're going to share the document that we sent you so we can revise it together. In the starting part of the class, you had to answer some questions. Don't worry about it, because it's only to know what you know about countable and uncountable nouns. Question number 3, you had to choose between two options. In this case, letter A was the correct one. There are some eggs in the fridge, and we're going to review the content further in the video. Okay, we're going to start with countable and uncountable nouns. Here we have some examples. There are 3 eggs and there's some milk. And here we have a chart with countable and uncountable nouns with the singular, the plural, and in the case of uncountable nouns, only singular. They don't have a plural form. Countable nouns are all nouns. You have to remember that nouns are sustantivos in Spanish, are the ones that we can count. For example, 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies, etc. We can count them with our fingers. And they change in plural forms. For example, I have an egg and then I have 2 eggs. I have to add the S at the end to form the plural. In the singular form, in countable nouns, we have I and N. Okay, this is important because it means 1, a tomato, and egg. The only difference between the two is that in the case of A, the following letter is a consonant. A tomato, the sound goes together. And with N is because the following word starts with a vowel. An egg, so the sound doesn't change. A egg, it's a little weird with the pronunciation. So when it's a consonant, we use A, and when there is a vowel, we use N. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, are the ones that we can count because things are treated as units. For example, pasta. We consider pasta a group. We don't count 1 pasta, 2 pastas. Okay, and these nouns don't have plural ways or form. For example, we don't say pastas. It's only pasta, a group. Another example is milk. Okay, we don't say 2 milks. We talk about boxes or cartons of milk. That are things that we can count. But the liquid itself, milk or water, we can count it. Okay, so let's review exercise number 1. Here you have all these 10 nouns and you have to classify them into countable nouns or uncountable nouns. And in the case of countable nouns, you have to write the plural form of the word. So for example, here we have chicken and it's uncountable because chickens as animals are countables. I have 1 chicken, 2 chickens running around my house. But when we talk about chicken as food, we don't count it. We have to weigh the chicken in kilograms, for example. Cookies are units. I can eat 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3, 4, even 5 cookies. And that's the plural form of cookies. Number 1, I have bread. It's uncountable because we have to weigh the bread to buy it. Okay, we eat pieces of bread, but bread is a unit. Number 2, eggs, countable. I can eat 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, etc. And that's the plural form. Number 3, cheese. Cheese is uncountable. We have to weigh the cheese in grams. So it's a unit and we eat pieces of cheese. Number 4, rice also is a unit. We don't count every grain of rice. We just eat rice. 5, strawberry, countable. We can eat 2, 5, 3 strawberries. That's the plural form. Remember, when it ends in consonant and Y, we change the ending for IES. Number 6, beef, uncountable. The same as chicken, is a unit. We eat pieces of beef. Number 7, onion. Is the same as strawberry. We can count onions, so onions is the plural form. Sugar is the same as rice. It's a unit of sugar. I buy a bag of sugar, a kilo of sugar, so it's uncountable. We don't count the little grains of sugar. Number 9, mushroom. Okay, we can count it one by one, so it's countable, and the plural form is mushrooms. Okay, number 10, we have water, and is the same as milk. It's liquid, so it's uncountable.